Welcome everyone to week 11. In this week, we take up Hansda Sowvendra Shekhar's short story collection, The Adivasi Will Not Dance. It's a very important text because it brings out a hitherto unknown terrain of Adivasi presentations to English language. Hansda is a Santal who writes about his own experiences from very different parts of India, the parts of India that usually don't get represented in the traditional Indian writing English courses or works itself. So we bring Hansda and look at Hansda's contributions to Indian writing English by bringing the rich and troubled lives of Adivasis into the domain of Indian writing in English. Hansda brings out the precarity and vulnerability of Adivasi life through questions of migration and how they are ill-treated, how they are upstaged, how their land and resources have been captured by others. But that's just one part of the short story collection. You will also see in Hansda Sowvendra Shekhar's work that he goes beyond those traditional representations of the Adivasis. He looks at the upwardly mobile middle class Adivasis who are living in city spaces, in urban spaces, who are negotiating with forces of modernity, and how newer and novel ways of discrimination that seem to be taking place against them. Hansda, in his unadorned documentary style of writing, foregrounds marginalization, discrimination, precarity and vulnerability of Adivasi life across a spectrum, as I said, from urban settings to forest setups to village economies towards urban economies. So in that way, Hansda provides us quite a sophisticated and nuanced representation of Adivasis, and this opens a new frontier for Indian writing in English.